So what are you going to be making today is stuffed shells. And then you're going to make the sauce to go with it and everything to go on top of it. So you have some of this, I don't know what this is called right here, but whatever that's called. And then we have the outside of the shell, and then look at the stuffed, look at the inside stuffed shells, and look at all that. It's so good. So
whose is that? Whose are you trying first?
Daddy's. Wow. This is really, really, really good. I love the inside of it. I just love it.
Why?
And the outside of it, because it's like, it has a lot of that salt to go on top of it. And all that goodness.
What kind of goodness? Is it like cheesy goodness?
Cheesy, salty, whatever goodness.
Oh.
So good.
So this is Daddy's or this is Bobby Flay's?
Daddy's.
Oh, okay. When do you get to try Bobby Flay's?
Right now. Chef Bobby Flay, your outside of your stuffed shells are just a little bit too sweet and too spicy. It's like really sweet and really
Maybe he was
spicy.
trying to get a combination of the sweet and spicy.
It's like really good. I love the sweet. I love the spiciness. I love the whole entire thing. It's so good.
Oh, I thought you said it was too spicy.
No, just a little bit. Just a little bit spicy and just a little bit like sweetie. But yeah, it was so good.
So that's Chef Bobby Flay's? Okay.
And the right here has to go home. The chef who will be going home is Daddy's was so very good, but Chef Bobby has to go home. His was way, like it was so sweet and too spicy. But before he goes, we have to taste their drinks.
Okay. They made drinks to go with their meals?
So we have to taste Chef Bobby's first. Chef Bobby Flay, your orange juice is really, really good. It's like very lemony and sweety, and it's so good. And let's taste Daddy's. Okay, Daddy, your drink is like blowing my mind. It's like really good.
Wow.
It's like I can't even stop drinking it. That's how good it is. Can't even stop
What's
it.
the difference between the two?
This one is much better than Bobby Flay's. So the chef for me right here's gonna go over. So the chef who will be going home today is Chef Bobby Flay.